All right. We just went and bought a PS5, opened it up, decided we don't need it anymore. So we're going to give it to you. Like, seriously. It's right there. We're going to give it to you. You know what? That was super rude of me. I didn't even introduce myself. This is Jesse with Dope, Dank, and Dine, the dopest cannabis and fine dining podcast in the stratosphere. So we decided, myself, Chef Todd, the whole team, November 85th, Desi, Quan, we decided we get all these cool products from these companies to go over and review on the podcast. Let's start giving some stuff away. So that's what we've been doing. But this is the big giveaway. This is the PS5, 825 gigabytes. And I'm gonna tell you something. All you have to do to get in this giveaway, go to the YouTube channel, like and comment on any one of the videos. Now, you don't have to subscribe, but it would be really cool if you did. Like and comment under one of those videos. Put your Twitter your Instagram handle, tag a friend in there. We're gonna pick somebody from those comments and those likes on the 20th of December. We're gonna do a live YouTube episode. We're gonna pick somebody from there, and you're gonna get this handy dandy PS5, and you can do some gaming with it. I think, I don't have anything else to say. Arsenio, you got anything? No. Are you sure? You be doing a lot of talking, bro. No, all the time. We can't get you to be quiet. Okay. All right, y'all. You have a good holiday, and good luck on this PS5 thing. Oh, yeah. You got to get a shirt, too. You got to get a shirt. Buy the shirt.